guys, thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. Today's video is going to be a wash and go featuring TGIN's moisture hair butter and eco styler gel. So I'm fresh out of the shower. Look at my eyebrows. Look at my eyebrow. And I already have the leave-in conditioner in my hair. I'm using Miele Organics Moisture RX line. I like to put an ample amount in the shower because I find that already softens and preps my hair for the wash and go. Wash and goes can be a little drying for me, so I definitely put extra conditioner. I just really need a shape up. Like, I don't know. Look at my bangs. What's happening? Oh my god. Anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and separate my bangs. They need prayer. Like, my hairline needs prayer. There's something wrong. But, you know, with the whole coronavirus situation, I'm not really thinking about my hairline. So we'll get back to that at a later date. I always like to section off my hair. Find that it's easier to work with. And I am trying a new method today, guys. I'm not going to be using a brush, which is what like a must-have for me with a wash and go. I'm going to be using my fingers. I find that worked better last time, and my curls were a lot more defined. And with this new hair color, they're definitely a little bit more relaxed. So I'm just trying to make sure I keep whatever definition I have straight out the shower into the drying phase. So like I said before, I'm using the TGIN Miracle Repair Curl Food Daily Moisturizer. I love this product. The thing I love about it most is you can use it on dry hair and wet hair or damp hair. It's very versatile. And I'm going to mix that with the Eco Styler Gel because I always need a gel. I need something to lock in, you know, the moisture and keep the frizz away. Now, what I will say about wash and goes, for me, I can do bigger sections than a twist out, so that makes it a little bit faster. Really, my biggest thing with wash and goes is trying to retain the definition and the shape throughout the week, but I will say that the whole application process is a lot faster. So I'm going to start with this section right here, and I'm going to start with the curl food. I'm using a good amount, and I like to warm it up in my hands and just start at the roots and work that down to the ends. I must apply a lot to my roots because that's usually where it gets dry, especially with the wash and go. Like, the bottom will be all lovey and defined, but the near the roots would just be not so cute. So I'm using the praying hands method, and I am going to finger detangle a little bit if I need to, but like I said, I'm not using a brush for this, so I'm very excited. I use an ample amount of gel, you know, same with the gel, but I like to do praying hands and then kind of rake and use my hand, like my thumb, to pull the product down to the bottom of my hair just to make sure that it's getting all in there and that every single strand is covered, because if not, yeah, it'll be a mess. I do this little shake at the end because I just find that my curls start to pop immediately, as opposed to that like straight, you see that straight piece where the gel is? Yeah, when I shake it, it kind of reawakens the definition, and then I'm able to kind of see the change happening right then and there, as opposed to waiting for it to dry, and it dries like this. We're going to keep going, guys. It's the same exact method I'm going to do all around my hair except for my bangs, because y'all saw the struggle. It's clearly something wrong. I'm really trying to be nice to them. I'm really trying to love on them and give them the attention that they need, because maybe they feel neglected, but I'm not sure what's happening, and it's only in that one little section, which is very strange to me because I'm not abusive to my hairline, but I guess my hairline is upset, and we're gonna have to work it out. Anyways, as we're going through this, how's everyone's week going? How's everyone feeling? I know that there's so much going on. Look at me getting stuck. Look at this. Look at, oh my gosh. Finger detangling though, guys. No brush here. Just keep with the finger detangle, raking, praying hands. I'm telling you, this combination right here is like, it's making me want to do wash and goes more often. But yes, I hope everyone's doing okay, staying safe, staying inside. I learned this new thing in this class that I'm taking, so I'm going to start to implement it into my videos. And basically, you're supposed to say one positive thing that happened to you in a week be it personal or professional. And it's been a rough week. So I'm going to try right now. Let's see. One positive thing that happened to me this week. I got a brand collaboration with Run the Runway, which is huge for me. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I have been literally promoting them for years, and it was so nice to see that in my inbox. And they were like, we want you to be an ambassador, yada yada yada. I am ecstatic, okay? It's ecstatic. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll start to see more Rent the Runway posts on there. Definitely check them out if you haven't. They're really cool. So back to this wash and go. Now, I'm going to talk really quick about the TGIN Miracle Food. So I've used this for another video. I used it for a twist out. I'll put that above in case you want to check that out. And what I found with it is it's definitely good as like a daily moisturizer. I would say as like for a twist out or something, you might need something else to kind of help bump up the definition, but the moisture component it has on lock. Like my hair, I literally apply this daily, and like as I go throughout the day, I'm touching my hair and I'm like, oh, it's still soft, it's not dry. So I really wanted to use it with this gel, just because I found that the gel, like I said, for me can be drying, and I like that this has a lot of moisture. Definitely check it out if you have not before. TGIN is absolutely phenomenal. I've stood by this brand for years now, and they really do help strengthen my hair, keep it moisturized and healthy. So there's my little plug for this product. So moving on to the drying phase, I am going to be using a blow dryer, and I like to blow dry my roots first because I find that helps speed up the process of drying. I do that on a lower setting so it doesn't disturb the curls, but I really probably like medium high heat. I'm also using the Diva Curls hair diffuser, which I believe is the best in the game. It really helps minimize my frizz, and it pops up the definition even more, which is perfect for me. Because I don't like drying my hair, to be honest. It takes a while. So what I ended up doing is I slept overnight with my hair about 90% dry in a pineapple, and these are the results the next day, kind of mid-morning, I would say. Love the clumpage, love the definition. It feels so soft. I'm really feeling wash and goes right now, guys. I don't know what it is, but I'm feeling them, okay? Because they're quick, they're easy, and I get definition. So this is later in the evening. Again, still defined, a little bit fuller in the volume, but I'm very happy. I'm very happy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to comment and subscribe. I will see you guys next time in my next video, and thank you so much for stopping by.